Oh my God. This candle's definitely gonna smell like something. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cassandra and I am on a self-care journey. So if you're on a self-care journey too, or if you just want to get some self-care ideas, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below. So one of my 2025 goals is to find a hobby that does not involve technology. I am a craft girl, a DIY girl through and through. But my problem is when I start a craft, I buy all the supplies and I'll do it for like a few days, a few weeks, maybe a few months. But then I kind of fall off because I haven't found anything that I'm in love with yet. And then I'm left with like all these supplies. So I decided I'm just gonna start buying smaller craft kits so I don't waste money on a whole bunch of supplies and I'm able to test out the crafts to see if I really like doing them. So I went to Hobby Lobby. If you know, you know, they have all the DIY and crafting supplies and crafting kits that a girl could dream of. And I found my first attempt at finding a hobby. I found this DIY candle kit where you can create your own candles. It was 20 bucks. And yeah, I burn candles all the time. I buy candles from TJ Maxx and I spend a whole bunch of money on them. So I thought that would be a cool hobby to try to see if I like making my own candles. So let's see what comes in here. So on the box, it says it comes with a dough bowl candle container, soy wax, 3 candle wicks, 3 adhesive dots, a stirring spoon, 3 wick centering sticks, 2 heating cups, a heating cup sleeve, fragrance oil, and a warning label. So let's take out these supplies. And honestly, $20 is not bad because without the kit, these supplies would cost a lot more. Now I'll know if I actually want to continue with this or if it's just like a one-time thing that I want to do. Okay, so here's what the dough bowl looks like. Honestly, I would probably oil this up. It's a little parched. The wood's a little parched. But it's like a pretty good size. And for 20 bucks, I've paid a lot more for candles that are a lot smaller. So this is a good size container. They call it a vessel in the candle community. I'm not in the candle community, but I might be after this. Okay, here is the wax. It comes with like a ton of wax. And then these must be the pouring cups. And then it comes with a vanilla scent. I don't know if I'm gonna use the vanilla scent. It's a little strong. It's a little strong. I have some eucalyptus essential oils that I might put in there because I'm not a fan of vanilla. And then here's the sleeve for it after you're done microwaving it. And then these must be like the wicks and the stirring spoons and then the little, what is that? I don't know what that is, but we'll find out. And then here are the instructions. I'm gonna move the camera because I don't want to do this on my bed. As much as I trust myself, if I spill, I'm gonna be mad because I do like this comforter. Okay, so I am on a harder surface and the instructions say, cover your work area with paper towels, not included, to protect your work surface from wax spillage. I trust myself. So I'm not gonna cover the paper towels, and I don't feel like getting paper towels, and that's okay. Okay, so step 1, it says prepare your container by locating the adhesive dots, candle wicks, and wick centering sticks. Okay, so we have our adhesive dots right there, candle wicks right here, wick centering sticks right here. And then it says peel off an adhesive dot and place it on the middle of the metal base of the candle wick. So we're gonna do that with all of our adhesive dots. Take the wick centering stick and put the wick through the hole and rest it on top of the candle holder, making sure that the wick is centered. Repeat steps 2 through 3 for the 2 other candle wicks, placing them equal distance apart from each other. Okay, so we're just sticking the wick through the hole. This is pretty easy. I like it. I would do this again. Okay, so now it says, I guess we're done with the prep. We're done with the candle prep. So now we need our wax. It says melting the wax and adding the fragrance oil. So I'm gonna go run and get the wax, the heating sleeves, and the oil. I'm not gonna use the vanilla. I'm not a big fan of vanilla. I think I'm gonna go with eucalyptus because I feel like that's a lot more relaxing, so we'll see. Okay, so I have my essential oil, my wax, my warming cups, and then my sleeve. It says double stack the melting cups for extra heat resistance. Slide the heating cup sleeve onto the double stacked melting cups. It's like the world's biggest cup of coffee. Imagine, I would actually drink a coffee if it came in a container as big as this. That would be delicious. It says, do not heat soy wax in the microwave for more than 30 seconds at a time. So we are going to cut this open. We're gonna cut open the wax and pour it in. I'm just gonna grab some scissors. I think you're supposed to use this whole thing because it's a pretty big container. I don't know if it's all gonna fit. Okay, it doesn't look like it all fits. But I'm scared it's gonna overflow in the microwave, but I don't think it will. So I'm gonna go heat this up and then I'll be back. I'm back, the candle wax is melted. It took about 20-30 minute intervals for the wax to finally melt, and I was able to add in the remaining wax. It is really hot, so if you do get this, I would be careful. And then so it says add the essential oils and stir it in until, I might have put in too much. Maybe I will add the vanilla. Okay, I'm gonna add the vanilla to try to, okay, once I stirred it in, it's less potent. Oh, she's strong. I'm gonna add in the vanilla, y'all. I feel like the vanilla is gonna balance it out. Is eucalyptus vanilla a thing? It is now. Oh, that vanilla actually smells good, my bad. You gotta pour a lot in here. You gotta be what is it, liberous? Liberal, you gotta be liberal with it. Oh my God. A few drops at a time. I'm doing a few drops. Let's see, keep mixing. This candle's definitely gonna smell like something. Okay, that's what it's gonna be. That's what we're gonna go with. Y'all, that eucalyptus done took me out. Oh my God. So we have our fragrance mixed in. It's some eucalyptus with some vanilla. We're gonna put this to the side. And our next step says to pour the candle. So it says slowly and carefully pour the hot wax into the candle container. Try to avoid splashing the hot wax on the side of the container. So we have our candle container. I feel like I should be wearing gloves or something. Pour, see, when you pour, you have to be confident. So we're just gonna be confident. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Oh, it's like just enough. Ooh, let's get some over here. Okay, so now we just have to let it cool for 24 hours and then we can trim the wick. So I will come back once the candle is cool and ready to go. So I really did enjoy making this project. It's something that I would definitely do again. The candle did crack a little bit after it dried, but that's not something that bothered me really. Yeah, it was really fun, and I definitely would make candles again. So if you are looking for a hobby or looking for something different for your routine, I definitely would check this out from Hobby Lobby.